Good morning or good afternoon, contingent on where in the nation you are. My name is Stephanie Searles, and today we're going to be looking at the dichotomy of public and private entities. I really tried to challenge myself with this assignment and deviate from discussing what is familiar to me, which is, my agency, my industry. And this was in an effort to learn more about other facets of government, learn more about the similarities. The Administration for Children and Families. That will probably be a mouthful later, so for short, let's refer to them as the ACF moving forward. The ACF is a governmental agency under the Department of Health and Human Services, while Casey Family Programs is a private operating foundation. AFC's mission is to foster health and well-being through the provision of federal resources. This could include, partnerships and potentially even leadership for the compassionate as well as the efficient delivery of human services. I think the emphasis on compassionate is an important piece of the dichotomy here. Casey Family Programs is focused on helping tribes, counties, and states adopt efficient child welfare practices by supporting and assisting child welfare systems. This is done in an effort to create strong families and protect children. Their mission is to provide long term foster care for children who are less likely to. In comparing some of the differences, factors such as the external political and social influences jump right out at me as this often differentiates government agencies from private organizations. More specifically, some of the differences between government agencies such as ACF and private organizations such as Casey Family Programs relate to attitude towards serving public interest. On this one, think about the compassion that we spoke of in the last slide. It also focuses on the belief in rationality, constitutional and legal restrictions, social purposes, and maybe even external environmental factors. Managers in private organizations may not have the attitude for serving public interest, and most times tend to focus more on the bottom line than the quality of service itself. I know I referenced that I wouldn't talk much about my own organization, but this is very much a true statement. Internally, we focus on, its image, customer service, safety. In summary, it is important to understand the similarities and differences between government agencies and private organizations, especially as public administration is concerned. Such an understanding can help us, considering we will be or